Hello everyone, today I will be differentiating between the animal cell and the plant cell. So this is the diagram of the animal cell. In the animal cell, the cell organelles are lysosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, centrioles, mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies and Golgi vesicle. This is the diagram of the plant cell. In the plant cell, the cell organelles are rough endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, lysosome, ribosomes, nucleus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi bodies and Golgi vesicles. When we compare the animal cell and the plant cell, we can say that the animal cell has a round and irregular shape and the plant cell has a fixed and rectangular shape. The outermost covering of the animal cell is the cell membrane that is made up of lipids and proteins, and the outermost covering of the plant cell is the cell wall that is made up of cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. That means it allows some materials to move into the cell and some materials to move out of the cell. For example, it allows oxygen and nutrients to move into the cell and carbon dioxide and waste materials to move out of the cell. The cell wall is completely permeable. The cell membrane is flexible in nature and the cell wall is rigid in nature. In the animal cell, the nucleus is placed at the center, and in the plant cell, the nucleus is placed at the side of the cell. In the animal cell, centrioles are present, and in the plant cell, centrioles are absent. Now, centrioles are the cell organelles that are composed mainly of a protein called tubulin. They help in cell division in the animal cells. Now in the plant cell, chloroplast is present, and in the animal cell, chloroplast is absent. Chloroplast comes under the cell organelle plastid, and plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll that help in photosynthesis, chromoplasts give color to fruits and vegetables, and leucoplasts are colorless plastids that provide food storage to the plant. In the plant cell, vacuoles are present, and in the animal cell, vacuoles are absent. To summarize what we have just discussed, animal cells are mostly round and irregular in shape. The outer covering is the cell membrane that is made up of lipids and proteins. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. The outermost covering is flexible in nature, and the nucleus is placed at the center of the cell. Centrioles are present, plastids are absent, and vacuoles are either absent or small in size. In the plant cells have a fixed and rectangular shape. The outer covering is cell wall that is made up of cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Cell wall is completely permeable. The outermost covering is rigid in nature. The nucleus is placed at the side of the cell. Centrioles are absent. Plastids are present. Vacuoles are large and in the center. Thank you.